Frisco ISD has long been committed to cultivating an educational experience that not only imparts knowledge, but also actively promotes the development of crucial life skills like collaboration, creative thinking, and problem solving. While the state of Texas outlines what must be taught, it doesn't tell districts how to teach. At Frisco ISD, we rely heavily on the creativity and professionalism of our teachers to engage with their students in the most effective and meaningful way.
I absolutely love inquiry-based learning because, for example, next week we're going to teach a lesson on thesis. And instead of just giving them a lesson on thesis, I'm able to generate a thesis statement and allow them to look at that thesis statement and say, what do you notice about that? And that allows conversation within the classroom, and then give them another example, and so they can compare and contrast what they're looking for, and then they can then take that and imitate that type of inquiry within their own writing.
Room transformations is first and foremost with creativity. Also, we use our STEAM lessons to help incorporate the different TEKs and standards that we're teaching to make it more engaging for our students. So for example, this week we're reading all about turkey trouble, and the students are able to create a shelter to hide their turkey. So they're having to use their science skills. They'll also use technology because they'll upload it to Seesaw. And then also engineering with learning how to put it all together, and then just being artistic with the ways that they have to disguise their turkey.
We're really pushing workshop model right now that allows students that, obviously there's that time for that teacher direct teach piece, and also that time to work with the teacher at the teacher table. But then in that workshop model, they get to work in pairs, they get to work in groups, they get to use the flex spaces to work, they get to do hands-on. There's the independent piece as well, which can be as important, and also just meets the needs of all of our different learners, whether it's visual learning, auditory learning, hands-on learning.
I enjoy learning because it's like you get to learn new things every day, and it's like so fun to learn all these new facts in school.
We do a lot of group projects and partner work. If we didn't have collaboration, then the end product of all our projects wouldn't be as good because everybody has a different perspective and different ideas, and if we combine them, then it'll most likely be one that everybody likes.
As you can see, we're committed to fostering experiences that allow every student to develop future-ready skills through collaborative inquiry, student ownership, and adaptable learning spaces. Through those experiences, our students will be prepared to embrace challenges, collaborate, innovate, communicate, contribute, and respond to a continually evolving world, no matter what their future holds.